guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my good name is Zippy Nyangweso, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. The aim of this video is just to alert you guys that I'm back. I left, I never said anything. I've ghosted you for quite some time, but then I can explain. Watch the video up to the end to see what I've been up to. So today's video is just simple. We are bed making and styling, and also to alert you that our cleaning motivation continues from next week as usual, and makeovers are starting very soon, guys, so keep locked it here.
For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on.
To start off, we start by stripping the bed, that is to remove the beddings and put them into the washer, and then we have new fresh beddings on. And today's mood is quite different. You will see at the end of it how this room turns out.
Building scars from the knife, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees.
If you follow me by now, you know how I make my bed. So today's fitted sheet will remain. So we go ahead and add the flat sheet.
Turn on the love for myself. Go on down. See me for me. As it falls out of sight, setting on all the shadows that I've overcome, pulling stars from the night, one by one, no longer blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself and go.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
have finished laying the flat sheets, we go ahead and lay the duvet. So today I said it's quite different. We are not going to add the duvet cover. We will have the duvet as it is, and I can see it's coming out beautiful.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
The reason as to why I'm adding this bed cover is to protect my duvet from getting dirty.
The fear no beat up keeps going on, and the melody on my escape, vibration on my soul, it sends me to the peak. Without no regret, you got no love. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love. A melody where I belong in.
For coziness, I add this throw blanket that matches with the pillow covers. It also has a different texture. I like how it has beautifully put this room together. And here is the final look. Do you like the outcome just as I do? I would like to know in the comment section what your thoughts are. And also I would like to know which other color would you want me to try on. Thank you for making it up to the end. Thank you so much. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It is free to subscribe, and also it is free to give this video a thumbs up.